Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here. Thanks so much for stopping by. The sweet tooth continues. I know, it's crazy. Lots of desserts going on in this house, but this one is amazing. Homemade berry ice cream with homemade waffle cones, and my Franke kitchen sink and Franke kitchen faucet with hose is gonna help get us there. The first thing we want to do is make our ice cream. This is an incredibly simple recipe that you can use as a base for any ice cream that you want to make. So what we're going to do is add some cold heavy whipping cream to my stand mixer with the whisk attachment. We want to whisk it on high speed for about 3 to 4 minutes or until stiff peaks are formed. That means it will become very thick, just like whipped cream, like you know, the stuff you squirt out onto your desserts, same exact thing. Remove it from the stand. What we want to do is fold in some condensed sweetened milk. This is going to help add a little bit of sugar and body to this ice cream. Go ahead and fold it in with the whipped cream. Next, just transfer it to a container or even a bowl. You could actually even leave it in that standing mixer bowl. Put it in the freezer for about an hour. Okay, it's now time to prepare our berries. I've got a total assortment here. We've got fresh strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries. Honestly, this part is completely up to you. If you just want strawberry, fine. If you just want another one, great. Get creative, have some fun here. What we need to do is cook these down, but first we're gonna rinse them off because they can get a lot of pesticides and it gets really nasty all over these berries. So what I'm gonna do is set my colander right onto my Franke roller mat. We absolutely love this thing. You can see it behind me. We use it for everything. I use it to dry dishes. Gosh, I use it as a hot pad, so as soon as I take something off the burner, I don't want to ruin my countertops or table, we put it on there. It is phenomenal. Everyone tries to steal it when they come over. I know if you get one, you will absolutely love it. So I'm gonna use it to kind of save on my back, okay, because I'm tall, so I can put the colander on there, spray it off, all my berries, not with leaning down and doing anything crazy, and the hose makes it really easy to get all the berries and all sides of the berries. What we wanna do next is add it to a little pot right on the burner. We're gonna squeeze in some lemon juice. This helps to add a little tang plus a little liquid. We're gonna pour in a bit of vanilla, finished off by adding in some sugar. Now what we wanna do is cook this for about 20 minutes or so. It's gonna break down incredibly low. So it's gonna reduce in size and all those berries are gonna break down. They're not gonna be whole anymore. They're really just gonna cook out and sort of liquefy, if you will. That's perfect. That's exactly what we want. So about after 20 to 22 minutes on low heat, okay, don't cook this thing because it'll scorch and you'll be very mad at me. Don't do that. I'm telling you now, okay? So follow with me. Transfer it to a container, put it in the refrigerator. It's gonna need to chill for about 45 minutes. So this is perfect. So maybe after 5 minutes or so of the ice cream chilling, this is gonna chill too. It's gonna be done at about the same time. We'll mix them. But first, what we need to do is get into these homemade waffle cones. They're delicious. You're gonna absolutely love it. Okay, so what we need to do in a bowl is add in some sugar. Next, we're gonna hit it with some flour. We're gonna use some egg whites, a little bit of salt. We're gonna put in some vanilla. And last but not least, we're gonna add in some whole milk. Just whisk it together until it's combined. It'll look like a pancake batter. It's perfect, it's ready to roll. Time to start cooking. Add a little bit at a time into your waffle cone maker. It only cooks for about 1.5 minutes, which is fantastic. And most waffle cone makers come with a little cone that you can form it with, so remove it from the waffle cone maker, put it on a towel because this thing is kind of hot, might burn your hands. Yes, I have those calloused up fingertips, so it doesn't bother me. Roll it up and let it sit for about 1 minute or two. It will really form and take shape. So go ahead and set them to the side on a sheet tray lined with parchment paper. We're just gonna set them to the side at this point. We need to mix the berry goodness with our ice cream base. So go ahead and pull those things out of the freezer. We're gonna add the berries right into that container with the whipped cream condensed milk mixture. Just fold it in. Now, next part is totally up to you. Now, you can completely mix this together so you have like a purplish, pinkish sort of ice cream. I like to just sort of fold it in a little bit. I don't know why, I like the swirls in there. I think it looks cool. Maybe I'm just being ridiculous, but I really like the way that looks. So I'm gonna mix it just a little bit. Now I'm gonna transfer it into a loaf pan. This is just easier for scooping and it will help freeze quicker because it's metal. I'm just gonna give it a little tap on the top, flatten things out. And then at the end, I saved a little bit of the berry goodness. I'm just gonna pop it right on top. It'll look cool when I scoop it and it's frozen. But the hardest part is right now, my friends. go find something to do for at least 6 hours because this has got to freeze. I know, it's brutal, but you gotta do it. Make sure this thing is completely frozen before you scoop it, or else it's gonna be drippy. You're gonna get antsy, I got it. Go take a break. We'll see you in a little bit. All right, you guys, I've been waiting for what seems like an absolute eternity. I actually just put it in there overnight, so 6 hours came and went to bed. Sorry, it doesn't matter. Cone, scoop, ice cream. Here's what we're gonna do. Take a nice big old scoop. We're gonna pop it on the cone just like this. Man, I mean, dude, seriously? Insane, delicious. It's so creamy, it's so rich. I'm gonna cut this short, you guys. There's no reason to hang on here. Got a lot of ice cream to eat, so we'll catch up with you later. Come back next week. I don't know what I'm making yet. I promise it's gonna be awesome. Thanks to Franke. We'll catch up with y'all later.